Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Dripstone weight system. So this is a very simple and very effective weight system, and it's basically a way of attaching a lead block somewhere on your harness quickly and easily without having to re-thread everything. I've got with me just a Scuba Pro Lighthawk BCD just because I need some sort of 2-inch webbing, and this is sort of what you get. So it's a single piece of what looks like Delrin sort of plastic. We got a spiky edge on one side, and that's going to help grip onto the webbing to stop it from sliding around. 2 loops of bungee. There is some assembly required, unfortunately, but that's it. Once you've tied 4 knots, that's kind of it. So if you want, say this wasn't just a straight piece of webbing and it was on sort of your shoulder strap, you want it somewhere a bit more complicated. Normally you'd have to unthread it all, sort of put the, slide the lead on and sort of hope it kind of is where you want it, and then re-thread it all, which is just a pain. With this, you just kind of lay that sort of webbing over the top of it. You've got 2 loops. These are going to go through the kind of the slots in the lead block, and then you stretch the bungee over the block and over the that sort of Delrin tray as such, and that's it. It's on, it's attached, it's exactly where you want it to. If you want to shift it up or down a little bit, you just undo that, shift it a little bit, and that's it. It's a really quick and effective way at attaching lead onto a sort of 2-inch webbing belt, and yeah, I love it. It's just sort of brutal simplicity. It does its job, and yeah, very, very effectively. So you can get as many of these as you like, depending on sort of where you want your sort of weight blocks to be, and away you go. It's a very quick and sort of elegant way of sort of mounting lead. That doesn't mean that you have to unthread everything and then re-thread it all. This is the Dripstone weight system.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.